Is AI taking over the world? Not quite, but it's definitely transforming it in surprising ways. Welcome to AI is Here. In today's video, we're diving into what artificial intelligence really is, how it works, and why it matters. Let's get started. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence, or AI? In simple terms, AI refers to machines or software that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes things like recognizing images, understanding speech, and making decisions. AI can be divided into two main categories: narrow AI and general AI. Let's break these down. First, we have narrow AI. This type of AI is designed to perform specific tasks. For instance, think about Siri or Google Assistant. They can answer questions and perform tasks based on voice commands, but they don't understand or perform functions outside of their programming. Narrow AI is also seen in recommendation systems like the ones on Netflix or Amazon. These systems analyze your past behavior to suggest what you might like next, using patterns learned from massive amounts of data. Then there's general AI, the type of AI that we're still working towards. General AI would be able to perform any intellectual task that a human can do, with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a variety of contexts. This kind of AI is still theoretical and not yet achieved. Now let's talk about how AI works. At the core of many AI systems is machine learning. This is a method where computers are trained to recognize patterns and make decisions based on data. Imagine teaching a child to recognize fruits by showing them different types. AI does something similar, but with data. In machine learning, there are different techniques, like supervised learning, where the model is trained on labeled data, and unsupervised learning, where the model identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Each technique serves different purposes and helps AI improve its performance over time. An advanced subset of machine learning is deep learning. This involves neural networks, which are designed to simulate the human brain's interconnected neuron system. These networks can process complex data and learn from large volumes of information, making them powerful tools for tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. AI is making a big impact across various industries. In healthcare, AI helps diagnose diseases from medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even assist in drug discovery. In finance, AI algorithms detect fraudulent transactions, manage investment portfolios, and provide personalized financial advice based on user behavior. And in the world of self-driving cars, AI processes real-time data from sensors and cameras to navigate roads, recognize obstacles, and make driving decisions, bringing us closer to fully autonomous vehicles. With all this talk about AI, it's important to address some common myths. First, AI is not going to take all jobs. While AI will automate certain tasks, it's also creating new opportunities and jobs in technology and other sectors. Another myth is that AI is conscious. Despite its capabilities, AI lacks self-awareness and emotions. It's a sophisticated tool processing data, not a sentient being. And finally, AI is not the same as robots. While AI refers to software and algorithms, robots are physical machines. AI can be part of a robot, but not all robots use AI. To build and train AI, data plays a crucial role. Data scientists collect large data sets, which are then used to train AI models. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and make accurate predictions. Training an AI model involves feeding it data, adjusting its parameters, and testing its performance. This process can be complex and time-consuming, but it's essential for creating effective AI systems. AI isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's becoming part of our everyday lives, from smart home devices to virtual assistants and even customer service chatbots. These applications make life more convenient and can enhance productivity. To sum it up, AI is a powerful technology that's shaping our world in many ways, from enhancing healthcare to transforming industries and even affecting daily conveniences. AI is here, and it's making a difference. If you're intrigued by AI and want to learn more about how it's changing the world, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share your thoughts or questions about AI in the comments below. What topic would you like us to cover next? Thanks for tuning in to AI is Here.